Welcome in a new video. We are going today to talk about Egypt's largest railway station to open in Bashtil. Let's discuss the details. The vision for Bashtil Station, which consists of a ground floor and two loft areas with 66,500 square meters of administrative offices and 24,000 square meters of shops, is to create a focal station resting in between Ramses and Giza, alleviating the congestion at Ramses Station. It will include two main workshops for train maintenance and a number of service facilities such as fuel tanks, railway carriage washing units, and water tanks. In addition, the project's scope will cover 22 kilometers of railway and track works for a new line. The station covers an area of 57 acres and is strategically located between the Ramses and Giza railway stations in the Giza Governorate. The new station will provide passengers with a range of services, including information screens, electronic ticket gates, TVM machines, and surveillance cameras. The station is also fully air-conditioned and offers Wi-Fi services on all floors, as well as a fire extinguishing and warning system. The project will provide thousands of job opportunities and will have a passenger capacity of 250,000 per day. The new station was necessary due to the overcrowding of the Egyptian railway system, which currently serves 1.1 million passengers per day. The Upper Egypt train station in the Bashtil area of Giza is set to open soon, providing a much-needed transportation hub for the millions of Egyptian citizens. The station is equipped with modern amenities such as electronic ticket gates, Wi-Fi, and surveillance cameras, and is strategically located to connect with various means of transportation. The project has already provided thousands of job opportunities and is expected to serve up to 250,000 passengers per day. Its establishment is a clear reflection of Egypt's commitment to investing in its transportation infrastructure to improve the lives of its citizens. Of course, soon you will be able to visit it and get a better idea. Press the like button, leave your feedback in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel to hear more from us. Thanks for watching.